Under the hood, this is the basket case of it. As you saw, it had 159,000 miles on it. It was all stock. This we put on because it had a bad transmission. Well, manual transmission anyway. It was popping out of fifth. So my little car over there donated his manual transmission to this fella. So now it runs and drives fine as far as shifting. A friend of mine also replaced the seal here, this cam seal and EGR seal, because it was leaking. Although I suspect a valve cover leak that I'll have to address. Overall, it seemed decently clean. I had to cut this off because it was snapped in half and broken and rotted. So all that'll have to be replumbed. But because of the damage to this hood, there you can really see the hail damage popping now. And that crease. I think I'm just going to put the hood from my car on it. I know I keep saying my car, but my old one. And all this mess is because on the way home, it overheated. You see it's low now. It was spitting out of here. All this is coolant that spat out. I kept stopping it and refilling and then driving on because I had to get it home, but I'm going to do a thermostat on it and clean everything out with vinegar, believe it or not, is what they recommend. So that's the project for the day, as well as changing the hood. And I'm actually going to pull this radiator out and attempt to clean it with the hose, just to make sure there's nothing obstructing it. And I'm going to swap the bumper cover out as well because of this, because there's nothing wrong with my bumper cover. I hate it, but that's going to be too costly to repair, I'm sure. So I'll keep this on it so it's black. But yeah, this little bumper cover is going to go bye-bye. Save it and possibly repaint it at some point, but plus somebody did this. I hate those things. We don't use them here in Georgia. We don't have to have front plates. But anyhow, that's kind of the documenting the starting point of this thing. And there's the actual rims. And the tires are feathered real bad on the inside. Somebody either didn't rotate or had a bad alignment. This is also jacked up. And my friend, when he was doing the transmission, he changed the drive axles, and he also found out my A-arms. Where's my hand? My A-arms there were, the originals were all bent up. So he replaced those while he had it apart, along with the new drive axles and seals. So all that should be good. But yeah, this is going to be the project from hell.